MagSafe is a magnetic technology developed by Apple. The name is a combination of magnetic and safe, and it's used for two main purposes: charging and accessory attachment on iPhones. It is a ring of magnets built into the back of iPhone devices from iPhone 12 series. It's built around here like a ring. The idea is to ensure perfect alignment of the accessory, whether it's a charger, it's a case, it's whatever else, with the phone. And in the case of wireless charging, it maintains that perfect alignment so that there's a stable connection between the wireless charger and the phone. Now, this is what a regular wireless charging pad looks like. Your MagSafe charger or your MagSafe wireless charger looks similar, but as you can see, it is much smaller. There is a magnetic ring built around it, and what it does is that it allows you to align perfectly. As a matter of fact, there was a movement of this pad in my hand when I placed it on the iPhone's back. There was a slight movement, and then once it's perfectly aligned, that's the strongest point. When the puck is here, it's able to move around. When the puck is here, it's able to move around. But once it's perfectly aligned, it doesn't move anymore. The trick is that the charger sticks to the phone. Whether you are using a wireless charger or you're using a wireless power bank or some other device, it sticks firmly to the phone regardless of the position you hold it in. The way to use it is simple. You plug the wireless charger. Here is the other end of the cable. You plug this into a USB-C power adapter or brick. You plug it in. You place the wireless puck or pad, we'll call it puck, on a platform. Okay, and once it snaps in place, it tells you the phone is charging. That's how to use it. It's really very simple. Because it's magnetic, when you lift the phone, it goes with you. So your phone keeps charging while you're using it. With a standard wireless charging pad, your phone only charges when you have it on the table or on a platform like this. The moment you pick it up to use it, the charging stops. But with a MagSafe wireless charger, you can pick your phone up, use it, because the magnet keeps the charger in place at the back. That's it. Like I said earlier, there are MagSafe power banks too. You attach them. There are MagSafe cases, MagSafe card holders, all sorts of accessories using MagSafe technology. So anywhere you hear MagSafe, it's talking about a magnetic charger. What Apple iPhones are compatible with MagSafe technology? All the way from iPhone 12 series and newer. Older iPhones before iPhone 12 do not support MagSafe technology. They do not have this magnetic ring built into their backs. If you want to use a MagSafe wireless charger with such devices, you need to buy a case that has a magnetic ring built in, and then you'll be able to use a MagSafe charger or any other MagSafe accessory with such an older iPhone device. One of the beautiful things that Apple has done with their MagSafe wireless technology is that a true MagSafe wireless charger is able to deliver more power to compatible iPhones and so charge them faster than non-MagSafe wireless chargers can. For example, with MagSafe technology, it is possible to deliver up to 25 watt fast wireless charging. A lot of non-MagSafe wireless chargers deliver 5 watts, 10 watts. Which models are able to do up to 25 watt fast wireless charging? iPhone 16 Plus and the iPhone 16 Pro Max are able to do this. In order to achieve this, you need a power adapter or power brick that is rated 30 watts or higher. If you do not have a power brick that's rated up to 30 watts, you will not get that 25 watt faster wireless charging on your iPhone 16 Plus and iPhone 16 Pro Max. iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro models will achieve 22.5 watt peak power when used with a MagSafe charger. iPhone 15 and earlier devices are able to enjoy up to 15 watts fast wireless charging with a MagSafe charger. You require a power brick with at least 20 watt rating. Note though that there is an exception to those older devices. If you're using an iPhone 12 mini like this or an iPhone 13 mini, you're restricted to a maximum of 12 watts rating. When you use a MagSafe charger, it's still faster than what most non-MagSafe wireless chargers are able to deliver. So again, note that a MagSafe charger is not only about the magnetic connector. It's also about that extra boost that Apple has built into it to deliver more power and faster charging times to your compatible iPhone model. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, follow my channel, and turn on your notifications.